I wonder what throne I'm gonna get. Huh? My throne is queen? How come? I'm just a servant at this palace. My throne is definitely gonna be queen. My parents are both royals, and I'm the only child. Wait, why does it still say princess? Amara, there you are. What is it, your majesty? Thanks for taking care of me all this time. This crown is for you. But what about Princess Amelia? Wait, queen, are you okay? Wake up! Princess Amelia, the queen is gone. What? Why did the queen have to leave when my throne still hasn't changed? What is your throne? My throne is queen. Oh, that means my throne is just an error. There can't be two queens here. The queen said that only the next queen can marry Prince Liam. What? Anyways, I have to find out who got the queen's throne and make sure I get to be the next queen. Princess Amelia, Prince Liam came to see you. He says he wants to meet his new wife. Where is he?
Hey, where's the queen?
I'm right here. I'm the queen's only daughter.
Well, tomorrow I'll return to this palace and check out everyone's throne. If you're truly the queen, I'll marry you.
Yes.
I'm so dead.
Anyway, tonight I have to find out who got the queen's throne and finish her off. Wait, why is there a crown in here? And this crown is similar to mine. Here's your drink, princess. I knew it. So you're the one who got the queen throne. Huh? No, the system must have an error. There can't be two queens here. The only queen is you. So why is this crown with you? The queen gave it to me and said I'll be the next leader of this palace and gave me this crown. The queen loves her servant more than her only daughter. Give it to me. Remember, you can't show up tomorrow while Prince Liam is doing the throne checks. Stay here until the morning and don't try escaping.
Good morning, Princess Amelia.
Hey, Prince Liam.
Today I'll be checking everyone's thrones at this palace.
Of course.
Huh? Why does your throne still say princess?
Maybe the system has an error. It hasn't showed up yet, but I'm the next queen. Who else would it be? I don't have any siblings.
I have to check with everyone at this palace. Where's your servant?
Oh, she quit this morning. I have to get out of here. I can breathe finally. Help!
Who's asking for help?
It's probably just the cat upstairs. Maybe you heard wrong.
I think it's coming from the attic.
No,
we have to check.
There's dust in there.
I don't care. I'm going up there to check. Why isn't the door opening?
All right. The key isn't with me. I don't know where it is.
Okay, I'm gonna have to break it open. 3, 2, 1.
Dad, can you buy me makeup to cover up my birthmark?
Makeup? I don't even know about these things. And anyway, you're too young. Are you being bullied at school because of your birthmark?
No.
Who made fun of your birthmark?
2 girls in my class. Their names are Gemma and Sarah.
Is that so? They're just jealous of you, honey, because you were born different.
Jealous of me? Okay, thanks, Dad.
Kids, for some reason, Sarah and Gemma has been transferred to another school. But before they leave, let's all say bye to them first.
Bye, Sarah. Bye, Gemma.
This is all your fault, Amara. We hate you.
Dad, I'm going to school alone today. Please don't follow me.
I'm so proud of you, honey. You're all grown up now.
Thanks, Dad. Okay, I'm going to leave now. Bye.
Why are you wearing a mask, Amara?
Because...
Take it off. Otherwise, I'll make all the girls at school make fun of you. Anyway, we all know about your birthmark. You're so ugly. I'm going to send a picture of you to the class group chat. Did you see the picture Emma sent of Amara? Yeah, that birthmark makes her look like a clown, and her parents must be so ashamed of her. Hey, you two, don't speak to her like that. Do you want what happened to Sarah and Gemma to happen to you? They only got kicked out of school because Amara told her dad and snitched on them. Who tells you she can't snitch on you too? Just be careful with how you speak to her. Hey, Amara, come here.
What is it?
Sorry, I was just bored and your face annoys me. Hey, what's wrong with you punching Amara's face like that? Shut up, you might be handsome, but you're really stupid to be friends with that weirdo. Well, at least being handsome is better than being ugly and crazy. I'm gonna report you
Please no, just don't get involved.
Amara, your eye is bruised. What if your dad sees you and finds out you're still being bullied at school?
He won't find out.
Trust me, you know your dad. He's really rich and very strict.
Yes, but he's only rich because he's a mafia boss.
What? A mafia boss?
Yes, that's why I have to hide this bruise. Because if he finds out, whoever punched me won't be alive anymore.
Don't even try hiding that bruise. Tell me who punched you, now.
Everybody said that we wouldn't last. Give it some time, young, it'll pass. They don't know what we put in.
But you don't look gay. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just...
Knowing people's age or knowing people's name? Usually, it's easier to know people's name, and people lie about their age all the time, so I choose age. Morning, Mom. Happy birthday.
Whoa, you remember my birthday? I'm surprised.
How old are you gonna be, Mom?
You forgot?
What? No, you're gonna be 40 years old.
Thank you for remembering. Here, have some pocket money.
Thanks, Mom. Hey, how are you?
I'm okay, just a bit stressed.
Wait, you're 19 years old? How's that even possible? We're all 17 in class.
Did you forget that I had to retake the same class twice because of my grades?
Oh yeah, true. I totally forgot. Sorry if I hurt your feelings.
Good morning, children. Please welcome our new student. Whoa, it's a girl. I really want her to join our group, don't you? But wait a minute, if she's not 17, I don't want her in our group.
You two, just calm down. I can tell if she's 17 or not.
Really? Hello, everyone. My name is Tasha. Hey, do you want to join our group? Are you sure you want to ask her that?
Guys, but we still don't know if she's older than us or if she's younger than us.
Then hurry up and check.
Why isn't her age showing up? Sorry guys, but I can't see her age.
Oh, great.
But that's so strange.
No, what's strange is how all the boys are crushing on her.
I mean, she's really pretty, but I still don't understand how I can't see her age.
Oh yes, I remember reading in a book that if you're struggling to see someone's true age, you just have to knock them out.
Knock them out? Do you want me to get kicked out of school? But if I don't hit her, I'll never know her real age. Alright, fine. I'll slap Tasha.
Good. Now, where is she? We need to find her. I think she might be surrounded by all the guys as usual. Let's look for her in the hall. Hey, what are you two doing here? Yes, what are you doing here? Don't get close to Tasha.
Guys, relax. I'm her classmate. I just wanted to ask her about the task we got in class.
Oh, okay. Just a moment. I heard you were looking for me.
Finally!
Hurry up, because we don't have much time. Amara, do it now.
I'm hurting, but I'm certain it's still true. I'm the best thing that almost happened to you. I am obsessed with right now. I think I'm messed up.
If you wanna give love on the last try, give your hand on my heart, sure, and I'll come back to you. So,
Amara, do it now.
Come on!
Hey, how dare you slap Tasha like that? Yes, how dare you? We're gonna make you regret this. Come with us.
Wait!
You can't slap Tasha again. Do you understand?
Why do you care about her so much?
Because she's pretty.
So you only like her because she's pretty? You guys are crazy.
So, what happened?
I tried slapping Tasha, but nothing happened.
We need to come up with a different plan. Where are you going?
Nowhere, I was just...
Since you have nothing to do, help me clean my desk. I think the teacher knows my plan. He's trying to distract me to not find out Tasha's age. If you don't do it, I'll reduce your grades.
No, sir, please. If you reduce my grades, I won't be able to complete the next semester.
That's right, so start cleaning now.
Fine.
Amara, how come you're cleaning the teacher's
He
desk?
said he'd reduce my grades if I didn't.
Oh, anyway, I found out another way to know Tasha's age.
How?
You have to make her eat an apple, apparently. It helps to see how old she really is.
Alright, thank you so much for letting me know. Mom, I'm home.
Honey, there's a friend of yours waiting in the living room. Hurry up, she's been waiting for a long time.
Wait, are you sure it's a friend of mine?
I mean, no, I've never seen her before, but she's very funny and cute.
Funny and cute?
Yeah, she's really pretty too. We had nothing in the fridge, so I gave her an apple to eat.
Alright, let me go see who it is.
This is really delicious. Where did you get this apple from?
Tasha, did you just eat the apple?
Yeah, why? Yes, it's starting to appear. I wonder what number it will stop at. Yes, it's starting to appear. I wonder what age it will stop at.
I'm gonna find out how old you are really soon.
I'm 17 years old, just like you.
Oh yeah? But I don't believe you. Don't worry, your age will soon appear. It stopped at 17.
Yes, that's my age, see? Hello everyone, quickly open the door, Amara. Why don't we just break in? Good idea. 3, 2, 1.
Why would you just break my door like that?
Hello, bodyguards. Don't worry about me. I'm doing okay. Don't hurt our Tasha.
Why did you come all the way here for?
We want to pick up Tasha because we thought she was in trouble. Yeah, we were so scared and ran here immediately. You guys just calm down. I'm doing fine. In fact, I'm really happy because a couple of minutes ago, I had the most delicious apple of my life. I'm pretty sure she's not actually 17 years old. This is not her real age. How do you feel? Have you managed to see her age yet?
I did. It says she's 17, but I can't believe it. I think there might be an error in the system. Someone's calling me with an unknown number. Who could it be?
Just pick up. Hello, Amara. Let's have dinner tonight.
Who is this?
Oh my gosh, you don't recognize my voice? The age is not appearing.
You must be Tasha, right?
Yes, I'll send you the full address later, okay? Don't forget to come.
Okay.
I wonder what she's up to.
Is this her house? Whoa, it's really big. No wonder she's spoiled.
Hey, Amara, come in.
What room is that? Why is the shape strange?
Oh, that's where I have my clothes.
You have a whole room for clothes? Let me see.
No, we're still renovating it.
Okay.
Let's go get food. I'm starting to get hungry.
Yeah, sure, but before we eat, I just need to quickly go to the toilet. Okay, now that she's gone, I'm gonna quickly explore this room. 3, 2, 1.
Tasha? Oh, it's Tasha's friend. Please feel free to come in. I'm Tasha's
Hello,
mom.
nice to meet you. Why do you look so young?
Oh, stop it. You're so kind.
You're 20 years old? How? That's impossible. Isn't Tasha 17?
Actually, Tasha is...
Make a soulmate or find a soulmate? I think it's better to make a soulmate.
Wait, do not press to make a soulmate because 3 days ago my friend chose to make a soulmate and the result was really bad.
Bad? How?
Just imagine, her soulmate is not fully human. He's half human, half cow. He looks really scary.
But I chose to make a soulmate. What do I do now?
Yeah, well then, there's no hope anymore.
4 legs or 2 legs? He'd look scary with 4 legs. This was a weird question anyway.
I told you, they're gonna keep giving you strange options.
If the other question is safe, it doesn't matter to me. It was your friend's fault for choosing the strange one.
True, I mean, she was obsessed with cows, so...
Eat rice or eat grass? What do they think my soulmate is? A goat to be eating grass?
It's getting so weird.
Yeah, but thank God they're still giving me safe options. That way I don't have to pick the crazy ones.
Hey, you two, what did I just say to the whole class?
We were talking about the history of...
History? This is a biology lesson. Both of you, get out of my class.
Sorry I got us kicked out.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
I just got another choice. It says to choose for my soulmate to have a nose or fins. If I make the wrong choice, my soulmate could be half human, half fish.
You mean like a mermaid? That's so cool.
No, you're crazy if you think I'll ever marry a mermaid.
Let's try that ice cream over there.
I'm full, to be honest. I just got another choice. It's between rich or short.
Choose rich. Money matters more than height.
I mean, you're right.
Amara, come have ice cream.
I already told you, I don't want ice cream. And also, I'm allergic to milk. Wait, my soulmate will appear in 1 hour? Okay, I have to go home.
Wait, don't you want to stay with me while I'm ordering the ice cream?
No, I have to go. Bye. Mom, my soulmate will appear in 5 minutes.
Amazing, I can't wait to meet him.
I wonder what he looks like. Okay, my soulmate will appear in 3, 2, 1. That must be him.
He say that I'm good enough. I'm not think about shit that I should've done. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me cause he know that it's fact. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you.
How? This is impossible. Isn't Tasha 17?
Actually, Tasha is... Mom, what are you talking about? Nothing, I was just saying hi to your friend. What are you doing here, Amara?
I was just lost. I couldn't find the toilet.
You should have told me. I would have helped you. I have to change the subject.
Yeah, true. Could you please show me where it is?
Yeah, come with me.
Finally. Thank you for showing me where your toilet was.
That's fine. Here, have some snacks.
What? Only this? I thought we were gonna eat an expensive meal because, you know, you're rich.
Just be thankful I gave you something.
I can't believe I still haven't found out how old she is. How difficult could it be?
What's wrong?
Huh? Where did you get that book from, Mom?
It was delivered by the postman. How come it doesn't have a sender's name?
This book is mine. Anyways, thanks for picking it up. Where's Tasha today?
Class, Tasha didn't come to school today because she's sick.
But yesterday she was feeling fine, sir.
She showed me a letter from the doctor, so I believe her.
I have to go to her house again after school. Hello, excuse me. I'm here to visit Tasha.
Amara?
Yes, can I come in?
I don't know. I mean, Tasha's really sick. I don't think she wants to see anyone.
Well, I brought her soup. Can I at least come in and give it to her?
Yeah, sure.
Tasha? Tasha, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Amara, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. Mom, did you let her in? Yes, she said she brought you soup.
Wait, this whole time it turns out you're 90 years old?
I'm so embarrassed. I'm never going to school again.
Who even are you?
Well, are you going to tell her the truth or should I? Mom, please. Basically, our family made this potion to make us look younger. But since you slapped her yesterday, the potion isn't working on her anymore, and now she can never be young again.